Hey everyone, in this microphone review, we're going to take a look at the Superlux E431U. It's a new microphone on the market and it sounds like it's got some really neat features to offer. So it should be great for your home, office, and personal computing spaces, as well as music recording. I'm really interested and excited. Let's check this thing out. Well, okay, here we are with the Superlux E431U multi-pattern condenser microphone. It also has a headphone monitor with microphone. It's got 3 patterns. It's a frequency response of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, and it has a 24-bit sampling rate of up to 192 kilohertz. If you're an audio geek, you know what these things mean. If not, it means it should sound really, really good. Way more than good enough. So what do we have here? We have a output jack, we have a USB-C and a headphone output jack, we have a mute button, a volume button, we have a blender of microphone versus computer generated audio through your monitor headphones. We have a gain knob, and we have a microphone pattern select of cardioid, omnidirectional, or figure 8. From what little I've heard, it sounds fantastic and ready to really fit the bill for people interested in both home computer audio as well as music and recording music. The Superlux is developing a bit of a cult following amongst those in the know. So I thought I'd check it out and let you guys hear about it. So let's open it up. Crisp and dynamic sound reproduction. Looking forward to it. And there it is. There's the microphone right there, the Superlux E431U. We have a nice foam, nice rigid foam to keep it safe and protected, stored. We have the Superlux microphone booklet. We'll check that out. It looks like there's quite a lot of information in there too. Nice. Okay, and here it is, what I've been waiting for. Okay, and it looks like, yes, it comes with it looks like a USB-C to a USB-A cable. Awesome. Always nice to have those nowadays. So let's take a closer look at this. So here we have the microphone and the USB-C ports. See if we can catch that in the light there. So yeah, there you go. The microphone and the USB-C ports underneath. Simple design, 3.5 millimeter headphone audio jack, and the USB-C port. It's very heavy. Feels very solid. That's got a really nice feel. Nice rubberized feet on the bottom of this. It doesn't look like much of a stand, but I just gotta tell you, this is impressively heavy. I was not expecting this stand mount to be this solid. I'm relieved at that. That looks very elegant, but it feels solid. Very nice. And so as far as the feel of the machining goes, the body is steel or aluminum. It's probably steel. It's very heavy. It's very thick. Definitely a metallic body. Beautiful metallic grill over the dual cardioid microphone elements. And there we go. So feel the resistance on the rotation of these knobs is such that you're going to be able to rotate these freely without adjusting the movement of the microphone. Again, the rubberized feet on the base of the stand look extra nice, great for some shock absorption and holding the stand in place. And there it stands right there. The Superlux E431U. We're going to try it out on a Mac with... Okay, so here we are checking out the Superlux E431U dual condenser microphone. We're going to take a look at the omnidirectional, cardioid, and figure 8 sensitivity patterns of the microphone. Okay, so let's start out with the omnidirectional, and we're going to record everything you hear ambiently through the air to the microphone element. So it should be rather equally sensitive 360 degrees. Okay, that was the omnidirectional element sensitivity of the Superlux E431U. Let's move on to the cardioid shape, where it should be more sensitive in the front for the main speaker, less sensitive to the sides, and even less sensitive to the rear. And do the same sound level test. Okay, that was the cardioid pattern on the Superlux E431U. As you can tell, it was stronger with its sensitivity and thus volume levels on the front of the microphone, less sensitive on the sides, and even less sensitive, more resistant in the rear microphone element direction. Let's move over to the figure 8. So it should be stronger in the front, stronger in the rear, less sensitive on the sides. Same sound test, same volume levels. Okay, that was the sound level test for the figure 8 pattern of the Superlux 431U dual condenser cardioid microphone. It has a condenser in the front, a condenser in the rear, facing both directions, configurable sensitivity on the sides of the elements, and it really makes for a well-rounded sound. What do you think? Thanks for checking it out. And again, if you got value out of this, go for the like and go ahead and subscribe. There's going to be a lot of other solutions for your home, office, and personal computing spaces here on New Tech, Old Toys. See you soon.